great way to get started with your LG Smart TV is to get familiar with your TV's home screen. We call it the dashboard, and it's always accessible by pushing the home button on your remote. Let's take a look. The launcher bar across the bottom of the screen has all the essentials to get started, including settings, live TV, internet, apps, photo, music, and more. You can add your favorite apps to this bar for easy access to your top destinations. The upper left picture-in-picture window of your dashboard screen shows what you're currently watching. The card in the center of your dashboard is filled with your pre-installed premium apps, including YouTube, Facebook, Netflix, and more. To the right of your premium card is the 3D World card, an eye-opening preview of the 3D experience. LG Smart World comes next, preloaded with apps that make learning fun. Right on top of this card is LG product registration. My suggestion, fill it out as soon as possible. It's the best way for LG to know you're a brand new TV owner and for LG to send you more helpful videos and the latest product updates. And it's a great place to tell us what you think of your new LG TV. Next on our tour is SmartShare. It lets you easily connect your mobile phone, tablet, and laptop to your LG TV over a Wi-Fi connection. And all shared content is readily accessible from the SmartShare library. Clicking on More on any of these cards gives you access to more content and more choices. Finally, let's explore these icons up here. On the left, the Sign In icon, which shows you your ID, password, and list of purchased apps. Next, Edit, which lets you change the order of your dashboard cards and create new cards by dragging and dropping. To do this, hold down the wheel on your Magic Remote until the pointer grabs the item and drag to where you want to move the card. Then release the wheel. The back icon takes you to your previous task. And Exit, you guessed it. See you later.